Hey folks, we are about to go check out our room. We have an upgrade. Carnival called the other day and said, hey, $320 you can have a balcony room, and we had an interior, so we said, yeah, we'll take it. So we're about to go check out this balcony room. We've never stayed in one before.
I've never even seen one before.
Okay, so let us know if you stayed in a balcony room, got an upgrade, and how much did you pay for it? And if we got a good deal. $320, 7-day cruise, I couldn't turn it down. And it's our 20-year anniversary. So Marcy's about to see this room, and I'm about to see this room.
For the very first time.
For the very first time. So let's go check it out.
We're balcony virgins.
Whoa. Didn't you say that in Bucky's video one time too?
Yes, we were. Bucky's
Okay.
virgins.
Let's go see the room.
All right, let's go see the room.
Ready? We have made it to the room. Marcy's going to do the honors. They put your room key up here in a little envelope above the door. We are in room 14402. This is the...
Oh, I'm going to have to take it out.
Take it out of the bag. So we're going to pause a minute while Marcy takes care of technical difficulties. She's trying to hold her phone, talk, drink, and open the room at the same time. And there's our room keys. And here we go. Let's see Marcy's reaction for the first time. You got to put the key right here, babe. Got to put the key. When you first come in, put the key in the slot right there.
Right here?
Yep. And the lights will come on. Then you turn the lights on.
Oh my.
And there we are. Oh.
Nice.
Wow. My baby's excited. Look, baby. Tell me about it.
Well, I'm going to see the balcony first.
She wants to take you to the balcony. So let's go out here to the balcony. Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Okay. Wait on me. Speedy Gonzalez here.
Please keep the window curtain closed at night.
Okay, here we go.
Can I
go
see?
For it. Do it. She's going to go check out the balcony.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful.
Figure out how to open this thing, and then we step out here. Oh. Marcy's a little scared because she doesn't like heights.
I am
so she's got to feel her way out there. Wow.
What a view.
And this is the view when you first come out.
It's beautiful.
Let's go out here and look. Wow.
Celebration family, a very good afternoon to each and every single one of you. It's Lee, your cruise director here, reminding you, if you've not already done so, to please go check in at your assigned muster station. Before sailing time today, which is fast approaching, we do need all guests, and I repeat, all guests to check in at their assigned muster station.
So you get 2 chairs and a table and a nice sized balcony here. Not bad at all. Pretty happy with this upgrade. And we're going to go inside here, look around the room. Marcy's going to show you a little bit about the room.
The view.
Yeah,
just
the
one
view.
more view.
One more view? How about that?
Stunning.
This is from the balcony. We're going to be sitting here when we sail out. That's the best part. There's the bed, the king size bed. And they do have charging ports and everything. There's your lights. There's a USB port there. Got your little nightstand there. Got some lighting over here. That turns on the overhead light. Well, there you go.
And one thing that they won't tell you and they won't ask you is, if you want a fan, ask your room steward. And that's what we're about to do in just a few minutes.
So there's a big TV. That's not normal in the cruise. Usually we've got the little small TV. Alrighty.
It says ciao for now.
You want to show us the round there, baby?
The room is beautiful. The colors are nice. We already know the bed's comfortable and the pillows are
the
bomb, because they always are. But we have a little sofa here, which turns into a sofa bed if you were to need it. But yeah, we're not needing that. This is great. This right here, this is where I'm at. This is where I'm put on my makeup, do my hair. I don't have to stand in the little claustrophobic bathroom.
Got a little light around there.
Yeah, nice, right?
That is super nice.
And room for all my stuff.
Mitch don't have a place to put anything.
Nope, Mitch doesn't need much of a place to move anything.
Got a closet.
Now, we're going to also ask the room steward for more hangers probably, because Mitch is an extreme overpacker.
I got to keep my shirts pressed and ready to go at any moment. Got some hooks to hang the 3 hooks there. And now, here it is. Here's the bathroom.
Let me just move out of the way because I'm already claustrophobic.
Wow, that is Super small. There's the toilet. The toilet's right there as soon as you walk in. If you know about cruise ships, it's usually really compact in these bathrooms. But this one comes with a mirror. It's got a lot of storage down here. You got your towel on the sink. And this one has like the walk-in. Doesn't have the lip like you normally have in a shower, but it's got the shower curtain. And it's a handicap shower, so along with the upgrade, we got a handicap room, which is kind of good in a way. So, and then you got a extra storage here with some hangers, and of course the safe and drawers. And Marcy says, "Look at this! Oh, got a fridge."
It says mini bar on it, but I don't see any bar related items in there.
Marcy done hit the mini bar. Everything is gone.
Whatever.
Yeah. Hey, if you need to make a phone call, there's a phone, like the old school days.
Our granddaughter asked us how that worked.
So, there you go. Have your room also comes with a couple of towels for the pool. And I think this will let out into a bed if you were to... yeah, this lets out into a bed, so I guess if you got a suite, or if Marcy gets mad at me and kicks me to the couch, then I can let that out. And you got a stool there, light switch, and lots of plugs. There's about 6 or 8 USB plugs and about 3 regular plugs.
Hey guys, we are in room 14402. We actually got an upgrade to a balcony, which is totally worth it. It is beautiful.
Yes, it is. Well worth the $330 extra we spent.
So we just wanted to close by saying thanks for joining us, and like, subscribe, ring that bell so that you get notifications.
And let's get cruising.
Let's do it.
Bye.
See ya.
Here's a little tip, and it tells you this on here, but if you have a balcony room, make sure you close the door, because if you don't, it turns the AC off. They don't want you to run the AC with the door open, so make sure you close it, or you'll come back to a hot room like we did.
Well, let's see who he is.
Somebody done took over our bed.
Oh, we got our excursion tickets. So what is he? Is he it's not an elephant. What is he?
I'm not sure.
A dog?
I don't know. If you know what he is, leave a comment.
He's so cute.
This is our first towel of the cruise.
He's really gotten out of bed.
Is he a puppy? A dog? What is he?